Welcome back to everyone. So in last video we see how to initial Python and next one is what is Python. So in this class today we are going to discuss what is variable, why we need variable. So first we are going to open so Python shell. So here you will get it ideally. So click it, open it. This is the command prompt. So I am entering. So here execute this is so what is variable, why we use it. So first I am going to 2 plus 3, it will execute, but command prompt is only execute if I go to ideally an online compiler, so we must be give to print statement, then it will execute. Here you can see. So why we call is variable. So first we so what is variable? The variable means the storing the value, whatever the values I'm going to take a equal to 4, so it will not negate it. So if I am to get the value 4, we want to print the value, we want to print and we want to print the value a and you will get it the 4. What I'm saying, just I am print a, here you can see the value get it. So that's why we call it as variable. And the name, so variable means the location you storing the value. So in location you storing the value, that's why we call it as variable. So why they call variable? First I am going to doing, so I am taking b equal to 3 and a plus b, it will work 7, and a minus b, it will work. So what is the a value? Now a value is 4. What is b value? B value 3. Why they call variable? Because I can change it value. So I'm a is equal to 4, a equal to 5. Here you can see I'm going to print that value. You will get the 5. Here also you will get it. So and I can change whatever the x and whatever the take, doesn't matter where what the doesn't matter, whatever take it, but we can store it value, we can retrieve the data whatever we give the data. Why we use it? So I'm giving a equal to 1000. I'm going to here, you can see. So I want to retrieve the data a value. So how do I get it? So a b plus a, so it will execute whatever the value we will give the, so we will get it the retrieve data. So that's why we call a variables. And next one is whatever we can change it name, that's why we also call variable. Equal to 10, a plus b I'm going to do, here we get it. Okay, so I'm going to give another way. So a equal to, if any character, what I'm saying, so if any character you have to must be give the strings. Here you can see that's we call a string, you have to give the must be string and it will execute the characters, the names. Here it A execute and B equal to I am giving the name A S I. It will, how do you will print it? Just print B, you will get the output. If you print it B, it will get it the output. So whatever the name, I am going to print A, it will print the output. We can use print statement also, it will get, you will get the output. But here you can see I am going to print capital A, it will not execute. Here you can see index error, A is not defined. So you have to must be use capital letter or small letters. So that is also, I'm going to print capital B. Here you can see B is not defined. So you have to must be give the lower value or capital value. So I'm taking B equal to, so 20. So I'm printing capital B, it will execute. Here you can see, that's why we call it as variable. So variable means name given to memory. So the value, whatever the we give value, it will store and we can retrieve the data, and that's why we are use it wherever we want to. Okay, it will execute one by one whatever the we will give value. So I'm going to, can use it decimal points also, 10.5, it will works. So I'm going to print, so P, so I have to take capital B. Here you can see I'm printing small b. So small b we are giving the, here you can see small b we are giving the value ASA, that's why it will execute print B. Here you can see I'm going to change name B, so capital B equal to 11.3, so it will execute. I'm going to print capital B, so not B, capital B I'm printing, it will execute. That's why we call it as variables. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to further videos, friends.